Genetic code. The genetic code is the set of rules by which information stored in DNA, or mRNA, is translated into proteins. It determines how sequences of nucleotides, A, U, G, C in RNA, are converted into sequences of amino acids. In simple terms, DNA/RNA language rightward arrow protein language conversion system. A codon equals a sequence of 3 nucleotides. Each codon codes for one amino acid or a signal, start/stop. Example. OG rightward arrow methionine, start codon. UUU rightward arrow phenylalanine. Structure of the genetic code. Total nucleotides equals 4, A, U, G, C. Codon length equals 3 bases. Total possible codons equals 4 superscript 3 equals 64 codons. Types of codons. 61 sense codons rightward arrow code for amino acids. 3 stop codons rightward arrow UAA, UAG, UGA. 1 start codon rightward arrow OG. Key properties of genetic code. 1 triplet nature. Each codon consists of 3 nucleotides. Proven by experiments of Francis Crick and colleagues. 2 degeneracy, redundancy. Multiple codons code for the same amino acid. Example. Leucine rightward arrow UUA, UUG, Q, CUC, Qua, CUG. Reason, protects against mutations. 3 non-overlapping. Each nucleotide is part of only one codon. Codons are read one after another. Example. OGCUUUU. Not, OG, UG, GGC, overlapping cross mark. 4 less, continuous. No gaps or punctuation between codons. Read continuously from start to stop. 5 unambiguous, specific. Each codon codes for only one amino acid. Example. UUU rightward arrow always phenylalanine, never another amino acid. 6 nearly universal. Same genetic code in almost all organisms. Bacteria. Plants. Humans. Exceptions. Mitochondria. Some protozoa. 7 start and stop signals. Start codon. OG rightward arrow methionine. Stop codons. UAA, ochre. UAG, amber. UGA, opal. 8 polarity, directionality. Code is read in 5 rightward arrow 3 direction. 9 collinearity. Sequence of codons corresponds directly to sequence of amino acids in protein. 10 wobble hypothesis. Proposed by Francis Crick. Third base of codon is flexible, wobble position. 1 tRNA can recognize multiple codons. Example. tRNA can bind to GCU, GCC, GCA, GCG. Experimental evidence. Key scientists. Marshall Nierenberg. Hargobind Khorana. Robert W. Hawley. They decoded the genetic code using synthetic RNA experiments. Summary table. Property. Description. Triplet. 3 nucleotides per codon. Degenerate. Multiple codons rightward arrow same amino acid. Non-overlapping. 1 base equals 1 codon only. Less. Continuous reading. Unambiguous. 1 codon rightward arrow 1 amino acid. Universal. Same across organisms. Start/stop. Signals for translation. Polarity. Read 5 rightward arrow 3. Wobble. Flexibility at third base. Importance of genetic code. Essential for protein synthesis. Basis of molecular biology and genetics. Helps in genetic engineering. Biotechnology. Medicine. Evolutionary studies. Conceptual flow. DNA rightward arrow transcription rightward arrow mRNA rightward arrow translation rightward arrow protein. Genetic code acts as the translator. Mutations are changes in the nucleotide sequence of DNA that can alter how the genetic code is read and translated into proteins. 2 major types directly affecting codon reading are 1 point mutation, gene mutation. A point mutation is a change in a single nucleotide base in the DNA sequence. Types of point mutations. 1 silent mutation, synonymous. Change in nucleotide does not change amino acid. Due to degeneracy of genetic code. Example. UUU rightward arrow phenylalanine. UUC rightward arrow phenylalanine. No effect on protein. 2 Missense mutation. Change in nucleotide rightward arrow different amino acid. Example. GAG rightward arrow glutamic acid. GUG rightward arrow valine. Causes diseases like sickle cell anemia. 3 nonsense mutation. Codon changes into a stop codon. Leads to premature termination. Example. UAU rightward arrow tyrosine. UAA rightward arrow stop. Produces truncated, non-functional protein. Key insight. Point mutations affect only one codon, so impact is limited. Sometimes harmless, silent. 2 Frameshift mutation. A frameshift mutation occurs when nucleotides are inserted or deleted, altering the reading frame of codons. Types. 1 Insertion. Addition of 1 or more nucleotides. 2 Deletion. Removal of 1 or more nucleotides. Effect on genetic code. Since codons are read in triplets, adding/removing bases shifts the entire reading frame. Example. Original. OGCUUUU AAA. After insertion. OGCGUUUUAA. Entire sequence changes after mutation. Consequences. Alters all downstream amino acids. Often introduces early stop codon. Produces non-functional protein. Much more severe than point mutation. Key insight. Frameshift mutation disrupts. Triplet nature. Non-overlapping property. Reading frame stability. Point vs frameshift mutation. Feature. Point mutation. Frameshift mutation. Change. Single base. Insertion/deletion. Effect. 1 codon. Entire sequence. Severity. Mild, moderate. Severe. Example. Sickle cell anemia. Genetic disorders, lethal mutations. Exceptions of genetic code. Although the genetic code is nearly universal, there are important exceptions. 1 mitochondrial genetic code. Found in mitochondria. Codons may code for different amino acids. Examples. UGA rightward arrow tryptophan, instead of stop. AUA rightward arrow methionine, instead of isoleucine. Seen in humans. Yeast. Plants. 2 protozoan exceptions. Some protozoa use alternative codons. Example. UAA and UAG rightward arrow glutamine, instead of stop. 3 mycoplasma, bacteria. UGA codes for tryptophan instead of stop. 4 overlapping genes. Same DNA sequence codes for multiple proteins. Different reading frames used. Violates non-overlapping property. 5 RNA editing. mRNA sequence is altered after transcription. Changes codon meaning. Seen in trypanosomes. Mammalian mitochondria. 6 selenocysteine, 21st amino acid. UGA, normally stop, codes for selenocysteine. Requires special signal, cis element. 7 pyrrolysine, 22nd amino acid. UAG, stop codon, codes for pyrrolysine. Found in some archaea. Conceptual summary. Normal flow. DNA rightward arrow mRNA rightward arrow codons rightward arrow protein. Mutation effect. Point mutation rightward arrow small change. Frameshift mutation rightward arrow major disruption. Exception effect. Codon meaning varies in special systems. Final takeaways. Genetic code is robust but not perfect. Point mutations show the importance of degeneracy. Frameshift mutations highlight the need for correct reading frame. Exceptions prove evolution and adaptability of life.